Polly, my trusted little drone, the DJI Mini 4 Pro, I believe. All other bars are closed.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Catania. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Electronic devices may not be used. Have a look around you to make sure you take everything with you. Be careful when you're on the
The first morning greets us with nice hiking weather and the group assembles at breakfast. We opt for 2 taxis for transportation to our starting point. Geez, hello fellas. So we've done the first couple of 100 meters in altitude on this first day of our yearly hike with the Wandergruppe Wendorff WGW this year on the beautiful island of Sicily. On this September morning we started in Falcone on the north coast and will end up going through the mountains toward the volcano Etna and end up near Taormina. We have had some beautiful views already of the Basilica di Tindari. I don't think it has anything to do with the app. The trusted South African hat is on, although it's seen better days, and it's probably gonna end up left behind in Taormina. Look at this view, eh? And now we're gonna hear a quick word in German from my old pal Roland Rolle Wendler.
Hi.
There we go. Wait. And down.
Ah, hi.
Sag was, Roland.
Ja, ich freue mich, mal wieder dabei zu sein. Ich bin lange nicht mehr gewandert und habe jetzt die ersten beiden Anstiege ganz gut hingekriegt. Bisschen außer Atem, aber das ist gut. Ich fühle mich ziemlich zufrieden im Moment.
Well, look at that. A happy camper, rocking and a-rolling. And onwards and upwards we go. Over this 5-part series, I'll try to get a word from each and every one of the hikers on different subject matters. As most of the dialogues are going to be in German, I'll try to add captions or subtitles.
Sizilien die erste. Oh, das war scheiße.
Was denn hier? Vorher, nachher?
Video ist das. Video. Ja, genau.
Servus Herbert, was hast denn du da?
Mein Brillenhalter.
Kein Brillenhalter, ne? Brillenhalter.
Du Frankie, sag
Ja.
mal, wie viele Kameras hast du eigentlich dabei? Das würde mich jetzt mal interessieren.
Well, Band, I'm going to answer you in English so that you guys understand as well. Well, it starts off with 4 cameras on the iPhone. So that's 4. Then I have my trusted Sony.
Okay.
This one. Mm-hmm. This I mainly use for still photography and some zoom shots, basically when I want to capture something far in the distance.
Okay.
And then we continue with Polly, my trusted little drone, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. That's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cameras there. So that's 12. Then
12. Wow.
Then we have the Insta360 X4. That's another 2. So that's 14 then. And last but not least, the one that I use the most is the Osmo Pocket 3.
Okay.
The gimbal controlled camera.
Wow.
So yeah, that's the whole kit and caboodle. And yeah, on top of that also 2 wireless microphones and a wireless sound system to make it all possible. Yes.
Yes.
Well,
You
that's
are
about it.
Professional. Professional.
Well, I try at least.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's film some hiking, I'd
Wow.
say.
Wow.
Cool.
Very good.
Gerade mit seinem Wohnmobil in Iringen auf dem Camping.
Bloody hell, after about 600 meters in altitude gain and 8k, we arrived in the first little village, and sadly all other bars are closed or not open yet. Nothing to do but to carry on. In Carabinieri we tried another spot, sort of a market for typical Sicilian food, and there was a glass door. It was locked up, but there was beer on the other side of that glass door. Very, very frustrating. I tried to call the guy, but no possibile, aperto. So yeah, we have to go on. Thank you, Uwe. Second split now. A couple of first guys already went down on the road, and about 2k's later the second half of the group followed, and now we are about 6, I believe, who are taking this hike up over the mountain towards Montalbano or something or the other. I'll get back to you with a correct name in a bit. 6 meters in altitude left to go. I think this is about it. So, the 3 from Baden have made it to Montalbano. Say something, boys, in German. Servus, wie geht's?
Alles klar,
Ziemlich kaputt.
alles Paletti, nur noch Durst.
Let's go.
They are done with it and they only want to drink. So do I. Let's go. Buongiorno signore. Over and out.